The agriculture industry has evolved significantly over the past century. Historically, farming took place on many small, diversified farms in rural areas, and practices were either implemented uniformly across the entire field, regardless of variables or conditions, or not implemented at all due to costs.
Given the location-specific nature of the challenges that a farmer faces, certain areas of the field may need treatment while others may not. Soil profile, elevation. A farmer needs a solution that allows them to address only those specific areas of the field where those challenges exist.
Feeding an ever-growing global population on a finite amount of arable land continues to be a challenge. While the industry is undergoing consolidation, experiencing fewer farms and farmers, the underlying goal remains the same: to increase efficiency and production while being good stewards of the land.
Farmers have always been interested in gaining efficiencies. As their operations have gotten larger, more geographically dispersed, they become more complex. SIMPAS is going to be one of those tools that allows the grower to take a set of inputs and apply them within a management zone, and we're using the phrase, apply exactly what you need, precisely where you need it.
Today, the adoption of new technologies enables farmers to minimize cost of production. More and more, human labor is replaced by automated machines, leaving farmers looking to professional advisors to help implement and service technology-driven machinery.
The technology has changed in the last 70 years from the small family farm to modern agriculture, where we've seen technology come in fertilizer, chemistry, machinery, and genetics, to what I call today precision agriculture, the industrial farming age, servicing larger corporate farms across the Americas and in Eastern Europe. Professional advisors and consultants, of course, bring their expertise in as the technology advances, and large corporate farms need specialized support.
AMVAC, leaders and innovators in the precision and prescriptive application technology sector, is developing a new prescriptive smart application to automate and variably apply multiple inputs across a field.
SIMPAS actually works very similar to how an inkjet cartridge printer would work. It accurately dispenses multiple products on a single field efficiently. We have collaborated with experts in the precision application arena to test and validate SIMPAS. We have also tested the system on farms with agronomists to efficiently and precisely dispense accurate rates.
Based on prescriptions developed by agronomists, SIMPAS software controls the application rate of each product through a patented metering system to apply exactly what's needed, precisely where it is needed.
First stage with SIMPAS is prescribe. A farmer will work with their trusted agronomist to develop location-specific prescriptions for the problems that exist in that specific field. The second stage of SIMPAS is apply. A farmer will use a display in their tractor cab to automatically control the application of those multiple input products exactly where they need to go, precisely when they need to go there. The third and final stage with SIMPAS is return. Given that each smart cartridge container used in the SIMPAS system has an RFID tag that's an immutable record of where that product was applied and how much is left in the container, the farmer can easily return that container back to their retailer and get a credit for the unused product that remains in the container.
SIMPAS auto-loads product information into as-applied software systems by reading product information on each smart cartridge container's RFID tag and applies the lowest efficacious rate only to the prescribed areas.
SIMPAS will provide the farmer an opportunity to apply either granular solutions or liquid solutions in categories like soil insecticides, fungicides, nematicides, micronutrients, plant health stimulants, and other categories, products that he would typically use at plant to improve his operation. It's really a simple system. The farmer, after using the smart cartridge container and the product in that container, returns it to where he purchased it, the retailer. The retailer scans the container, and that RFID chip allows his accounting software to then issue a credit for the unused portion left in that container, simplifying the return process for the farm.
In addition, the Smart Cartridge brand closed delivery system containers are designed so that dry or liquid can be quickly inserted into each cartridge receiver while protecting workers.
The SIMPAS system will be able to apply both granular and liquid products. The smart cartridge containers are of similar size, whether it's a granular container or a liquid container. So the grower will be able to set up his system based on the number of granular products he wants to apply per row, as well as the number of liquid products. The SIMPAS system allows the farmer to choose specific management zones that he wants to address within a field, thereby reducing the total amount of product he's going to apply per acre, which is good for the environment as well as the grower's bottom line.
SIMPAS equipment can be easily configured and installed for virtually any specific make or model of planter and uses an ISO-based display, enabling SIMPAS to easily plug and play with all brands of ISO-based controllers.
Because of the fact that SIMPAS allows farmers to address location-specific needs, multiple location-specific needs, throughout their farming operation, this allows them to better steward their resources and the environment. This will reduce the input load in the environment and also minimize worker exposure, given that it's a closed delivery application system. The RFID technology used to track the contents within each smart cartridge container also creates an immutable record that will be key to allow for better stewardship and sustainability as we move forward and provide access to information for key stakeholders across the value chain.